Look at how cute she's packaged. Let's open up the 2025 Revolution Beauty Advent Calendar. This calendar is $65, but it's running on sale right now on TikTok Shop for $52. Was that aesthetic? This is a very aesthetically pleasing, smooth, fresh, clean advent calendar, which also makes it a good gift to give somebody. Like, I appreciate nice packaging. Here's number one. I'm not aesthetic, guys. Day number one. This is a Pout Shimmer Balm Shimmer Lip Gloss. Vanilla scent to it. Let's give her a little swatch. So she's kind of like a neutral wearable pink color. Leave me a comment down below if you want to see a lip swatch. Okay, day two is a mirror. So it has a little R for Revolution Beauty. This is a mirror. So here she is. Ooh, oh my gosh. All right, let's watch it. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Day four is right here. This is a lipstick in the shade Icon Nude. Look at that right there. That is beautiful. That's such a unique shade. Ooh, number five looks pretty. Let's swatch it. Oh my god, guys, stop. Oh! Oh my god. Beautiful, and it melted right in. Number six. This is an eyeliner. I'm assuming this is the Kohl eyeliner in the shade purple. That's what I'm going to assume. That is a gorgeous color. Number seven is a cutesy little baby eyeshadow. Oh, it feels super soft. That's stunning. That's really pretty. Oh, look at the little baby glow stick. That's really pretty too. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. Look at that. Number nine is a Kohl stick shimmer shadow. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is beautiful. Number 10, teeny tiny little lipstick. Look at that color. This, oh, it's a brush. Very cute. This is cute. Super soft. This feels good. That's super dense too, like good quality brush. Number 12, looks like it's a beautiful blush color. This is in the shade Berry. Beautiful. That, I just swatched it right here. That is stunning. Number 13 is a translucent powder. Okay, this is number 14, I think this was. This is a Pout lip oil. I can't see. You gotta wait for the video where I do all of the swatches. 15. Ooh. Ooh. Oh yeah, definitely a lip balm. Blush stick. Ooh. Oh yeah, beautiful color for fall and winter, this blush stick. 17 is a little baby blender in the color that matches the whole theme. You know how they make those tiny ones for under eye? They're too tiny for me. This is the perfect size for me to do my under eyes with. This is number 18. This is a cream contour quad. So this is a bronzer, a contour, and then two under eye shades. 19. It's got to be a mascara. Yep. Number 20. These are like, you know, like the powder pads, except for these are like, I don't even know how to explain it, like velvet powder pads. This is number 21. My guess is that this is going to be a liquid liner. Hell yeah, it is. Oh, a brow gel. A nice clear brow gel. Ooh, this is a lip liner. There we go. I was hoping there would be a lip. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, last but not least, day number 24 is a beautiful gem tone eyeshadow palette. Look at that iridescent color. That's insane. And then this color is nuts too. There's two of the shades next to each other. This is awesome. Normally $65, okay? Right now on TikTok Shop, it's on sale for $52. It's definitely one of the best advent calendars I've tried this year so far. If you made it to this point in the video, comment the word raspberry or the grape emoji so I know you're an OG who watches all the way until the end.